blue light and its effects on our eyes. In this video, I'll be talking about the following contents. What is blue light? What is digital displays? A simple explanation of our human eye. How does blue light impact our eyes? So, what exactly is blue light? There are two types of blue light: artificial blue light and natural blue light. The sun produces visible light, and there are different colors ranging in visible light. There are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, red having the longest wavelength and violet having the shortest wavelength of all. Blue light lies in between green and indigo, with the wavelength between 440 nanometers to 490 nanometers. Blue light is the only visible light with the highest wavelength that we can see. It is also known as HEV, which stands for High Energy Visible. Blue light collides with air molecules and spreads everywhere, which is why the sky is so blue. Artificial blue light comes from light and displays, such as LED light, phone displays, television displays, laptop displays, and tablets or iPad displays. They all contain blue light. You can't avoid it. But you may raise a question of why is blue light so significant? Well, firstly, blue light helps to regulate our sleeping cycle, which differentiates whether you're asleep or awake. Blue light suppresses the hormone melatonin that we produce to help us sleep, and we can get blue light adequately through the sun during the daytime. Blue light can be imagined as an alarm clock that tells us to wake up. That is why blue light is so significant. Now, I'm going to talk about the human eye. The human eye is such a complex organism, and it is one of the 5 senses we cannot lack to have. Here's a drawing of our eyes. Starting from the outer layer, we have the cornea, which is responsible to allow light in. Inside, we have the pupil, controls the amount of light that's entering our eyes. The iris controls the size of your pupil, and the lens helps to focus the image. The muscle helps to change the shape of the lens, and the retina receives the focused light and converts into signals to the brain. So, how exactly does blue light affect our eyes? According to National Center of Biotechnology Information, which stands for NCBI, it states that we must realize that a cascade effect of cellular changes is induced when blue light strikes the retina. In an animal model researching exposure to blue light and photoreceptor apoptosis, the most pronounced cell death was found to occur 16 hours after exposure. In addition, photochemical damage from blue light exposure is proposed to emanate from a given amount of light, regardless of whether that amount of light is observed over a brief or extended period of time. In simple words, it means that blue light does affect the retina, as it kills the cells in the retina, causing the light that was being focused by the lens not to be able to turn to signals. The connection between the retina and the brain is lost. Another experiment was being conducted by a team of scientists in Tokyo, where they used lab rabbits instead of rats to test them on blue light. The rabbits that were exposed to blue light have a significant decrease in the cells in their cornea. The cornea cells being destroyed, allowing the blue light to enter and pass straight through the cornea to the retina. Alongside with this, another source dating back during the 1990s that was presented in the International Symposium on Retinal Degeneration stated that during blue light exposure, a decrease in choroid transport was observed, and this decrease appeared to be closely coupled to changes in the electrical properties of the pigment epithelium. A decrease in lucent transport was also noted, but the effect required 10 to 30 minutes of exposure to be manifested on some occasions. This means that blue light harms the RPE in the retina over time. RPE stands for retinal pigment epithelium, and the constant focus on our smartphones can damage our retina in our eyes in the long-term run. This is why it is best not to stare at your phone screens for such a long time. Of course, there are solutions. Blue light filtering glasses can help you to filter the blue light that you view. On your smartphone screens, such as an iPhone, you just have to go to the settings, scroll down to display. It is under night shift, and all you have to do is to turn it on. Your screen will be significantly warmer. On an Android, it will be under the same settings, under reading mode. On a Windows laptop, it will be under night shift too. All you have to do is to turn it on. Of course, are you willing to sacrifice the beauty of your screen or your eyes? That is up to you to decide. Thanks for watching. This video was made by Jaren Young from E101. Thank you.